South Africa's informal sector, valued at 750 billion rand as of May 2024, is growing rapidly at 24% per year, outpacing the formal sector's 15%. Now, in February 2025, the African Development Bank and Standard Bank signed a deal to boost trade among small businesses across Africa with a 3.6 billion rand investment. This initiative aims to support 4,000 businesses, create jobs and enhance economic resilience, benefiting 3.2 million SMMEs, which make up 60% of the country's jobs. Economist Walter Krugell offers insights on the impact.
South Africa's informal sector is one of the growth areas in an economy that has otherwise been struggling. Spaza shops, taxis, taverns, backroom rentals, beauty and repair workshops all play an important role in the township economy. It provides jobs and livelihoods to many people. From time to time, this success attracts the attention of policymakers, and there are calls to formalize the sector. Unfortunately, the goal is not always about growing that part of the economy. It's about things like tax income or localization. To my mind, we should not impose costs on this vibrant and resilient part of the economy. The best way to support it is to get them just formal enough to access more finance. Entrepreneurs and their consumers will solve the other problems.